Last built for the day. Kids multi-speed 20. Got a full rack. About all that can be added onto the rack at this time. So this is the last built for the day without crowding the rack and without crowding the floor. Got one repair to do on a front brake, just a cable cap, and then resecure it, and then that should take care of this one. I don't know what happened. The cap got unsecure somehow, came out. Just gotta put a cap on there, resecure it, rethread it. Where's that hole at? There's a hole. There it is. Rethread it through that hole right there and tighten it down. So when you use your brakes, this should be the front brake. So when you use your brake, it doesn't pull the cable out of its support mount. You can see the cable moving there. So I got to put a cap on there so that it won't fit through there because the braid keeps unbraiding. The cable does. And so do a lot of waste of time trying to thread that in there without putting a cap on there. But outside of that, all bikes came ready to go on the rack after install. Those are extra as they're purchased off the rack. We'll build those and replenish our supply. End of the day, a day of assembly. Fred Meyers is the location for this build. Walmart will probably do that next week, and Target probably the week after that.